Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises to revolutionize your healthy cooking routine, the BUYDEEM G67US electric food steamer. If you're looking for a versatile, efficient, and health-conscious way to prepare your meals, stick around, because this steamer might just be your new best friend. Let's start with what makes this steamer stand out: its incredible versatility. Beyond just steaming, the BUYDEEM G67US boasts 6 distinct functions. We have manual mode, which is fantastic for getting creative, allowing you to make things like pasta, hot dogs, or even those delicious Mexican chicken rolls. But it doesn't stop there. There are also preset options for egg, meat, seafood, vegetable, and grains, making it incredibly user-friendly for everyday cooking. And for those who love a comforting bowl of soup, this steamer can also be used for stewing. You can set it for up to 1.5 hours of rapid stewing, and get this, you can even steam and stew simultaneously. Imagine having your soup simmering below while your vegetables are perfectly steamed above. That's some serious multitasking capability right there. Now, let's talk about capacity and power. The G67US offers a generous 7-quart capacity in its single-tier design. While it comes standard as a single or double layer, you can actually expand it to a 3-layer rack if you need even more space, which is sold separately, of course. To give you an idea of scale, a single layer can comfortably fit 1 turbot or around 22 dumplings. That's pretty impressive for a countertop appliance. And powering all this is a robust 1,500 watt heating element. What does that mean for you? It means rapid heating. You're looking at steam being produced in as little as 60 seconds. This is a huge time saver, especially on busy weeknights when you want a healthy meal on the table fast. The user interface and controls on this steamer are designed for simplicity and convenience. You have an 18-hour preset timer, allowing you to plan your meals in advance. So, you can set it in the morning and have dinner ready when you get home. The maximum individual cooking time is 1.5 hours. Operation is straightforward: select your function, touch the preset key, adjust the time with the intuitive knob, hit start, and your food will be ready right on time. Once your food is cooked, you don't have to worry about it getting cold. The steamer has a warm function that maintains a constant temperature of 185 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 6 hours. This is perfect for keeping food warm for a buffet-style meal or if your dinner plans get delayed. When it comes to health and safety, the BUYDEEM G67US doesn't compromise. The materials used are food-grade stainless steel for the steaming baskets and baby-grade PP material for other components, ensuring your food is prepared in a safe and healthy environment. Safety is also a top priority with its dual protection system. The steamer will pause and prompt you to add water if the water level gets low, preventing dry burning. And in the event of critically low water, it automatically powers off, protecting the unit from damage. This peace of mind is invaluable in any kitchen appliance. Beyond the core functionality, the BUYDEEM G67US is packed with thoughtful design elements that enhance the user experience. The high-arch lid is a brilliant touch, designed to prevent condensation from dripping back onto your food, keeping it perfectly cooked and preventing sogginess. There's a convenient glass window so you can easily monitor the cooking progress without having to lift the lid. The sauce tray is enlarged, making it much easier to clean after use. Adding water is also a breeze thanks to the external water filling spout, meaning you can top it up without disturbing the steaming process. The enlarged water level window provides a clear view of how much water is remaining, so you're never caught off guard. And for safe and easy handling, it features anti-scald handles. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the pro side, the sheer versatility of this steamer is its biggest selling point. 6 functions, including stewing and simultaneous steam and stew, offer a lot of cooking possibilities. The rapid 1,500 watt heating and 60-second steam-up time are excellent. The 18-hour preset and 6-hour keep warm function add significant convenience. The use of healthy, safe materials is a definite plus, as is the dual protection system. And those thoughtful design elements, like the anti-drip lid and external water fill, really elevate the user experience. On the con side, for some, the 7-quart capacity might feel a bit small if you're consistently cooking for a very large family, although the option to add more tiers helps mitigate this. The initial learning curve for all 6 functions might take a few tries for some users, but the presets make basic operation very simple. In conclusion, the BUYDEEM G67US electric food steamer is a highly capable and intelligently designed kitchen appliance. It's perfect for anyone prioritizing healthy eating, convenience, and versatility in their cooking. It handles a wide range of food types with ease, offers smart features that save time and energy, and prioritizes safety and durability. If you're looking to step up your healthy cooking game, this steamer is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.